Hi everyone. In today's class, I'll do one problem from challenging geometry. Solve for the area of the circle. In this problem, three sides of the triangle is given. In circle is given in this problem. You have to find out the area of that in circle. Okay. This all the three sides of a triangle are tangents to the circle. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. That is actually it is the midpoint and it is perpendicular to the tangent. So this radius is the height of this triangle AOC. Okay. Similarly, this radius is the height of this triangle AOB as well as for BOC. That is the height is radius only. So we can write area of triangle ABC as area of triangle AOC, okay, plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOB. Am I right? What is the area of the triangle? Half into base into height. Height is same only for all. For AOC, what is AC? 13 centimeter is base, height is R. For BOC, half into base is 15, height is R. For AOB, base is 14, height is R. Okay. Now, I am taking half R as common. So 13 plus 15 plus 14. What I am getting? 15 plus 14 is 29, 42. So half R into 42. That is 2 is going here 21 times. That is 21 R. Okay. How to find out the area of the scaling triangle ABC? Let us find the area of the full triangle because we have to find out the radius, no? Then we can equate both the areas and find out the radius. So area of the scaling triangle is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Am I right? What is S value? Semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C over 2. What is A? A is 15. B is what? 13. C is 14 by 2. That is 13 plus 28, 42 by 2. That is 21. Okay. Now area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of 21 into S is 21, no, 21 minus A. What is A? 15. Then 21 minus B. What is B? 13. Then 21 minus 14. Okay, let us calculate that. 21 into 6 into 21 minus 13 is 8 into 21 minus 14 is 7. So we have to find out the square root of this. Okay, this we can split it as 3 into 2, 6, 4 into 2. Okay, into 7. So what is that? 3 into 7. Okay. then 3 into 2, 4 into 2 into 7. So what is the square root? 7 I am taking one time, 3 also I am taking, then 4 also. So that is 84 square centimeters. So 84 is equal to 21 R. So this implies R is equal to 4. What is the area of the circle? Radius I got. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square root. Okay, that is 3.14 into 4 into 4. Okay, what is the answer? 3.14 into 16. So 3.14 into 16 you have to calculate. 16 fours are 64. 16 ones are 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 16 threes are 48, 50. 2 decimals. So area of the circle is equal to 50.24 square centimeters. Thank you.